Here is now Gain on the new box. It's much larger one than this one because I cannot monitor her here because it's been placed like that, and whenever the little ones on the rear box, I cannot transfer it, so this is not advisable. So I figured this would be the right one. She's now sleeping, hugging her babies. Are those three? Where's the other one, Din? Let me see, Din. Oh, there are. She hugged the three of them. See? The brown and white one is the one, and the other two are already hugged. Tabi gid dong ang usa dong, naklaro na ang stripe. A black one. A tabi one, liwat amahan. Pero dili spot. Cute kayo ba yan ng orange kay ulo ray orange, gamay ra patiks buko-buko. Cute kayo. Pero taas og ikog ang tabi. Natulog na taong inahan kaluoy. Nagtutoy. Natulog nanduha yang gigakos na ra. Ang kuan nagsigig tutoy ang orange naranduha pa parolan. Natabi kayo. Ang sa black and white liwat siyang papa. Mas ay mayo ginang ingon ana. April 15, 2025. These kittens here, the 3 kittens, are 2 days old and 2 hours. Mama Gain gave birth on October 13, 7 p.m. This one is orange and white. This one is a tabby gray. And this one is a black and white. And this is the papa cat. Yes, this is the mama cat, a Calico Rescue Gain. Din. Hi, Din. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Tomorrow we will change your covers, so that it will be fresh. Din. The one is still sucking milk.